Mga mi, today pag-usapan natin ang 5 things as Pinay women that we should let go of, di ba? Tapos at the same time, ituturi ko rin sa inyo itong eye blending tutorial na to habang pinag-uusapan natin yon. And simulan na nga natin. So we already prepped our eye with some concealer and some pressed powder. Tapos simulan na nga natin with this big eye blending brush. Tapos magsisimula tayo sa kulay na to, nude mauve. Ayan. And we're also using, by the way, the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. Ayan. So mag-start tayo dito right on our upper crease. Gaganyan mo lang siya. Parang gagawa ka lang ng rainbow. Tapos nun, lalagay mo rin siya dito sa my outer third of the lid. And then whatever is left on the brush, you just extend it through the end of the brow bone. Number 1, we need to let go of the need to be perfect. Kumbaga, we should not overwork ourselves. We should also not be overthinking. Kumbaga, the fact that we give our best each day, regardless of the outcome, that is what makes it perfect already. Still using the same eyeshadow blending brush, gagamitin natin yung kulay na to. Pagkatapos, we're gonna apply that right on the crease, which is below the upper crease. Tapos parang gagawa ka lang ng rainbow din ng ganyan. Tapos just apply a little bit as well on the outer third. Number 2, not learning how to say no. And as Filipino women, parang expected na sa atin na kaya natin gawing lahat, di ba? Though the problem with this is, the more na mag-yes tayo, the more din na pwede tayong maabuso ng iba. We only get to earn the respect of others kung alam nila kung hanggang saan lang yung limit nila. Though I know that we can multitask, at the end of the day, we should only do the things that align in our values. Next, using a smaller blending brush, gagamitin natin yung eyeshadow na to. Pagkatapos, you're gonna press it right on the outer third of your lid. Ganyan. Pagkatapos, dagdagan mo lang kung kailangan mo pa. Ganyan uli, press on the outer third. Tapos kung ano yung a little bit na matira, blend mo a little bit right on the crease. Tapos, same thing, sausaw mo uli. Tapos, you're gonna apply it here on the inner third. Press, press, press. Ganyan. Tapos, whatever's left, slightly blend it through the lower crease. Number 3, we have to stop comparing ourselves to others. Kumbaga, wala namang kompetisyon, di ba? Kumbaga, as women, we should uplift each other. We should learn from each other rather than us looking at what they have and not appreciating what we have. Next, we're gonna use your concealer. Tapos, ilagay mo lang siya dyan sa gitna. Kung saan tayo hindi naglagay ng produkto, gaganan mo lang siya. Tapos, use your other finger na walang produkto. Tapos, ganan mo lang siya on the darker side. Diba? Pagkatapos niyan, sasawsaw mo na uli yung fingers mo dito sa shimmery eyeshadow. Kasi mas didikit ang shimmery eyeshadow kung moist yung base niya. Diba sis? Tingnan mo ang ganda. Tapos ganun uli. Dagdagan mo lang ng konti. Pagkatapos niyan, balik lang tayo. Whatever is left on this smaller blending brush, mag-zigzag ka lang from the darker as well as the shimmer. Tapos dito na kabila, from the darker to the shimmer. Number 4, walk away from the people who do not appreciate you. Kumbaga, huwag nating ipilit yung sarili natin sa mga taong ayaw sa atin, di ba? Doon tayo pumunta kung sino yung makaka-appreciate sa atin, kung sino yung makaka-appreciate ng contribution natin. At the end of the day, mas masarap magbigay sa taong nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. Tapos, using a makeup remover on a Q-tip, lilinisin lang natin ito sa may side, pupunta sa taas. Yan, para mukhang professional yung gumawa. Pagkatapos nun, kunin mo lang yung sponge mo, pati yung concealer mo, gaganyan mo lang siya. Tapos gaganon mo lang din siya, diba? Tapos nun, tap it with your fingers, para lang hindi harsh yung lines. Number 5, we need to let go of the shrinking mentality. Lalo na if we've given it our best. Alam mo yon, deserve din nating tanggapin kung ano man ang dumadating sa buhay natin, di ba? Ito nga sabi nga sa Luke, to whom much is given, from him much will be required. Kumbaga, the more na mas blessed tayo, di ba? Mas malaki din yung kapasidad nating makatulong sa iba. Tapos naglagay na rin tayo ng eyelashes. Tapos yung eyeliner natin is the NYX Pitch Black Eyeliner. Tapos ito nga, sabi sa Psalm, You are beautiful, for you are fearfully and wonderfully made. 'Di ba? Praise God, sobrang ganda nito. Akmang-akma sa ating mga Pilipina. Lalo na swerte tayo na as Filipinos, yung kultura natin, unang-una, faith has been instilled to us at a very young age. And hanggang ngayon, kahit sa ang patika ng mundo, ang pinaka-religyoso na yata, mga Pilipino. Pangalawa, we're very lucky to have a very strong support system through our families, through our chosen families, di ba? Even our barkadas. And pangatlo, kilala rin tayo for having the biggest hearts in the world. Natural na sa ating maging mapagbigay, di ba? So, I think if we will focus our direction, first and always asking God to guide us in everything that we do. And number 2, doing everything for our families, di ba? And then number 3, catering to the needs of our communities, then we can always begin and end each day going in the right direction.